Thanks for watching S and C Packing's video. Now we are sharing a low-cost, but fully automatic and efficient box combination shrink packing machine. It is equipped with an automatic overturning conveyor that can put the box up and feed it to the push table, and then use the pusher in a combined way to push the collected boxes into the sealing machine for bag wrapping. The whole line has a compact design and uses a turning conveyor, which occupies a small area and can be directly connected to the front production line. The cost of the whole set is no more than $15,000 US, but it can achieve packaging efficiency of 8 to 10 packs per minute. Its adjustment mode is also very simple, can be adjusted for different sizes of products using digital display operation surface. The parameters can be easily set and record the production. Finally, after the combination of the bed box is shrinked by the heating tunnel, the whole process of shrinking packaging is completed, which is not only low cost, but also transparent and beautiful.